Christmas Spirit Challenge. Charles Dickens, a prominent figure in Victorian literature, crafted stories that resonate through time. His A Christmas Carol is not just a tale of festive cheer, but a narrative of profound transformation. In it, Ebenezer Scrooge, initially a figure of greed and indifference, undergoes a profound metamorphosis through encounters with spirits, discovering the joy of generosity and the warmth of human connection. The value of reflecting on A Christmas Carol. This story, more than a century old, holds a mirror to society's enduring virtues and vices. It's a reminder that the Christmas spirit isn't confined to a season, but is a mindset of empathy, kindness, and communal spirit. This challenge invites you to live by these values, making a positive difference in your life and the lives of others. Join us in rediscovering and embodying the essence of Christmas through Dickens' timeless words. This challenge is a journey of personal growth, inspired by the transformative lessons from A Christmas Carol. Step 1. Reflection. Engage deeply with these selected quotes from A Christmas Carol. Consider their meanings, the emotions they evoke, and how Dickens' wisdom can be applied to modern life. This step is about connecting personally with the text and finding a quote that resonates with your current life situation. Choose a quote to work with. Here are the selected quotes from A Christmas Carol. 1. I will honor Christmas in my heart and try to keep it all the year. 2. There is nothing in the world so irresistibly contagious as laughter and good humor. 3. No space of regret can make amends for one life's opportunity misused. 4. Mankind was my business. The common welfare was my business. Charity, mercy, forbearance, and benevolence were all my business. 5. God bless us, everyone. Reflect upon these quotes and their relevance to your life today. Step 2. Create a visual reminder. Craft a unique piece of art that captures the essence of your chosen quote. This could be a beautifully designed poster, a digital artwork, or even a handcrafted item. The aim is to have a tangible reminder of the lesson you've chosen to focus on. Step 3. Brainstorm actions. Now, translate the quote into specific actions. If your quote is about kindness, plan acts of kindness. If it's about gratitude, find daily moments to express it. The key is to make these actions practical and consistent. Step 4. Create a commitment statement. Pen a personal commitment statement, like a vow, to live by the essence of your chosen quote. This act of writing solidifies your intent and serves as a personal contract. Step 5. Morning meditation. Set aside a few minutes each morning for quiet reflection. Meditate on your quote and visualize how its message can be woven into the day's events. Step 6. Daily journaling. Document your journey in a journal. Note how you applied the quote's lesson each day, the challenges you encountered, and the impact of this practice on your life and mindset. Step 7. Accountability partner. Share this journey with a friend or a family member. This shared experience can provide mutual support, motivation, and a platform for insightful discussions. Step 8. Creative expression. Express the essence of your quote through other creative avenues. Write a short story, compose a song, or create a collage. This is about interpreting the quote in a way that's personally meaningful. Step 9. Implementation and revision. After a week of practicing your actions, take time to review and refine them. Adjust your approach as necessary to ensure that the wisdom of the quote is being fully integrated into your life. Step 10. Share and inspire on social media. If inclined, use social media as a platform to share your experiences. Your journey could inspire others to embark on their own path of personal growth. Step 11. Reflection and feedback. At the end of the challenge, reflect on the overall experience. What worked? What didn't? This is a time for honest self-assessment and consideration for repeating the challenge. Conclusion. This challenge is an invitation to live the spirit of A Christmas Carol throughout the year. By embracing the lessons from Dickens's classic, you'll not only enrich your own life, but also positively impact those around you. Let this journey of growth and transformation begin. Be sure to check out the other Santa and Christmas videos on this channel.